Vanilla? Alexa, turn on bathroom light. Welcome back to Stuck on an Island, guys, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Yo, at this moment, I don't know, like, I was just in my bed and I kept on hearing burger, 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 burger. And for some strange reason, I just keep hearing burger, burger, burger in my sleep. It's like 5 a.m. in the morning, I'm thinking about freaking burgers.
Cause it was me.
You know what? Because you are the person who is telling me burger, burger, burger.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a burger that could quite possibly kill you. The burger that I'll be working on today is actually going to be a butter burger. When you think about butter burger, all you think about is a freaking heart attack. Well, I'm joking. Not quite a heart attack, but butter is one of the most fundamental flavors when it comes on to food. When you think about food, you think about salt, you think about butter, especially in the hot cuisine. In hot cuisine, they use everything to its excessiveness. Now for the butter burger, we're gonna excessively use butter. But of course we're gonna add a couple nice ingredients, you know, maybe some pancetta, some 80-20 burger meat or whatever. Let's play around with it. But at the end of the day, you are definitely gonna die from a food gasm. Alright, so here we have some 80-20 burger meat. So you know it's definitely, you know what, put all this in there, not a big deal. So 80-20 burger meat means 80% is lean, 20% is fat. And here we have some pancetta. Pancetta is like a Italian high class type of bacon. So this one tastes pretty, it tastes really bacony, of course, and it has a very nice smoked flavor. So I think this is gonna go really well with that burger meat. And we're just gonna mix it in together. Smell of fresh fried basil. It's ridiculous. Alright, so the star of the show definitely is going to be your butter. This butter is at room temperature, so it's able to, you know, move around a lot easier and stuff. This one is a low fat butter. I guess I'm not trying to really end this life as quickly as possible. But then of course we have here, in here we have some cayenne, ground pimento, thyme, and dried parsley flakes. Yeah, this amount is about like half a teaspoon about. So what we're trying to do is not just to put the butter in there, you know, without any, you know, herbs or flavor. I'm gonna add that, and of course the fried basils, I'm gonna throw those in. So it's gonna be like a really nice herb butter. Now of course, just gonna mash everything into there and make a really nice butter spread. Alright, so now we're going to actually make the burger buns. So we have a nice mix of the pancetta and the 80-20. And basically when you're making burger buns, you definitely want to make sure that the meat overextends the burger size. So that way when it shrinks up, you'll be good. So I'm going to ball this up. And just for a rule of thumb, the cup is about the burger size, so we're going to definitely make it bigger than the cup. Alright, so we're going to drop our burgers in. Definitely have to turn on the fan because it's going to heat up. So already seasoned one side of the burger already, lightly with the salt because the pancetta is cured bacon. It's like, yeah, so it's already a bit salty, so I don't want too much salt with it. And we're going to do it on one side, the first side here, for about 3-4 minutes, and then the other side is going to be for about a minute. So now we're going to quickly season the top. Give it a nice flip. Alright, now we're going to add a healthy serving on cheese on top. And cover it down so that it melts really good. If you have the sliced cheese, that will work perfectly well, but it's what I have in the fridge, so I'm not going to work with that. Alright, so we have some dried parsley, a little bit of salt, black pepper, and some cayenne to add a little heat. And we're done. So it's a butter burger. Definitely use a lot of butter. This is like a whole tablespoon of butter. I would toss on that one. And the same goes for this. I'm putting it on the top bun because what I want is for the butter to actually run from the top and go down all the way onto the base. Alright, so as Jamaicans we definitely love plantain, so I'm gonna put some plantain in there. And then I have some spicy coleslaw just to make sure we have something kind of healthy in there. So I don't want it too wet with the coleslaw, make sure it drains off a bit. And then on my burger, I'm definitely adding tomato. My cousin doesn't like tomatoes. Look at that. Oh, exactly how I wanted it, soaking it all the way down to the lower bun. That's crazy. Alright, so you guys know we're definitely live on YouTube right now. People over there are live watching you eating this live. Take your first bite of this butter burger. Tell me what you think, cause you're the one that was whispering in my ear. Burger. No, I want your honest opinion.
Just beat the book. No.
It beat the one that we did by the river?
By far.
Are you kidding me?
Yo, the beef.
People are watching you live, so don't lie.
Watch out. It's bad.
How's the compliments of the coleslaw, the plantain, the butter? First of all, speak about the butter. That's what we want to know about.
It might sound like it's a bad idea, but trust me. That butter, man. Oh.
Alright, I definitely have to try some for myself. Yeah, because I'm hungry. Alright guys, let me tell you. That burger was... matter of fact, you guys have to try it for yourself. If you were on my live, on my YouTube live, you'd have get my whole reaction of it. Basically, that burger was very delicious. Even though it's a butter burger, the burger or the butter is not overpowering. Everything just got paired really well with it. If you like videos like these, just drop a like on the video. Try it at home. Tell me what you think about it. Send me photos, send me videos of your review on that burger. And I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Remember 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep link.